Hi, I'm Dave Bearing, Technical Director at TriStar, and welcome to another Ask the Expert segment. Today we have a question that came in from one of our customers in the marine industry, and this particular customer has been using some of our materials in a variety of applications on board ship. And this particular application is for a davit, which is a crane that's usually found on deck. And their question has to do with their shivs, and they would like to use a plastic bearing in their shiv and try and cut out on some of the cathodic reaction that occurs between their current bronze bushing. And they asked what material we would recommend. Well, we have a lot of experience with these types of applications. We have our CJ bearing is a very, very common bearing replacement in shivs, and we have these on board everything from America's Cup yachts to some very expensive, very large pleasure boats. So what we have been able to do over the years is accommodate customers' requirements not only for the CJ but also for very cost-effective nylon shivs, and the combination of the two gives our customers a corrosion-free setup, self-lubricating bearing. The CJ does really well in that environment because it doesn't swell. There's no way you can have a corrosive reaction with the material. It's completely dead electrically. It's able to run against softer metals like stainless, aluminum. So our normal recommendation for shivs on board ship in any environment, whether it be a very expensive yacht davit or even on board fishing trawlers. We've used a lot of this same combination. Wind navigators, all kinds of different places where we've used this combination of the CJ or an FCJ if friction is an issue, and cast nylon shivs. So if you have a similar application, if you're interested in looking at this particular design, the CJ has proven itself very, very well over the years, and we have a lot of history to draw from, a lot of places that we can refer you to in terms of practical use. And we're actually quite well known around the world. We've got our CJ bearings on 4 of the America's Cup yachts for the upcoming race, and we're more than happy to claim that recognition. The other thing I'll mention to you, since we're talking about marine industry, is that TriStar's other composite material, our Ultracomp, our 300A material, just received ABS approval, which is American Bureau of Shipbuilding, for use on board ship, and this runs the gamut from everything under the water line on super freighters to deck side and dock side equipment. So if you have applications where you've got extreme loads or 100% submerged applications or a combination of submerged and dry, our Ultracomp material has been approved and is well proven in the marine industry for those types of applications. So if you have some specifics you'd like to talk about, please contact us through Ask the Expert. Call us at 800 TriStar and ask for engineering, and we'll be happy to get back in touch with you and maybe work through the problems that you might be having with your current bearing setup. We appreciate you joining us and look forward to seeing you on another Ask the Expert segment.